to our relatives from the Midwest. This is Vicki speaking. I am making a videotape of our camping trip for you all to enjoy. And I emphasize the word enjoy. I am now scanning the view from our camp spot. We are at Carpinteria State Beach, about 10 miles south of Santa Barbara, California. The date is May, wait a minute, gosh, I can't remember, about May, well, hold on a minute, I'll ask somebody else. We'll get the date in a minute. Alright, now I'm going to view our site. This is our site. Oh, let's go over and see who's in our site.
Hi, guys.
There's Auntie Mare and Aunt Elizabeth. What is the date today, girls?
Oh. Who knows?
20th.
It's May.
May 21st?
19th.
No.
Okay. Do you have any words for the relatives back east?
Yes, I think Mary should say something. Eat your heart out.
Wait a minute. Let me come in for a close-up.
Eat your heart out.
Well, that's good, Mary. Good. Oh, here's Auntie Glow.
Gonna partake of some Diet Coke.
Okay.
They're saying it's Coke, but it really isn't. Right.
Uh-oh.
Without an opening.
Well, let's view that.
The edge is not.
That looks like something interesting that they'd be interested in seeing.
Yeah, it won't work. It's too round. I got to go back to the trailer and get an opening. Here I have a beer and I can't drink it.
Oh, that's just a shame, Dad. Just a shame.
No, it doesn't twist. Honey.
All right, here, Michelle, come over here. Cuz
This is a California child.
there's a California girl. Oh, Michelle, you're saying hi to your cousins back east.
Hello. Oops, sorry, Mom.
Is the camera on?
No.
No. Like hell it isn't.
Hello.
I think Vicky's a frustrated CBS woman.
Yeah, she wants to be a mini cam
All right, I'm going to go back in and see if I can find it. Sue and Ursula and everybody. Rig.
Rig.
Now I'm going to take you inside the rig.
Read.
See if we can find any more
Read it.
relatives.
Read it.
Michelle, move it.
What?
Steve,
Just started.
we are taking a video for the relatives back east. Do you have any words for them? Wait a minute.
Well, I'm just putting lotion on Mark here.
Daddy everywhere again.
Mark,
Huh?
can you turn around and say hello to the cousins back east?
Say hello to your cousins. Hello, cousins.
Uh-oh, it's Pee Wee Herman. Wait a minute.
Give
Who
them a
else
tour
do-
of our trailer, Vic.
Who's that?
Adam.
Adam?
He wants to play smash ball.
Well, there's Papa right there. Get him to play with you.
You have no shoes on. You got to take them off. Take your socks off. And you're going down on the beach. Take your socks off. Campsite is.
All right, now this is we were going to take you now for a tour of the other campsite so you can see what a spacious camping facilities we do have here in beautiful sunny Southern California. Yes, here we are. Spacious campground. We are all allowed 2 parking spaces.
Show them where my
See,
trailer
here's
is.
all the RVs lined up. Now we're going to take a walk.
Mark.
We're going to take a walk down here. We're going to see where Dad's rig is, which we refer to as the ghetto. Here's Dad's rig. Dad, where are you?
Right here.
Well, go up there and make a Vanna White for us.
No, forget it.
Like this.
No, come on, Vicky.
Here's Dad's rig. There's our van where Auntie Mare slept last night. Here, we'll go for a quick tour inside so you guys can get the full effect. Oh, it's locked, Dad. This is what you call an action video. Now this is Dad's sleeping quarters. This is the place they keep all their junk. Kitchen facilities, refrigerator, eating area, bathroom facilities in there.
All open.
This is a very unusual bathroom. You sit on the toilet as you take a shower. Okay, Dad, have we taken the full tour of your rig?
That's it. We don't get any more.
Point out his license plate number. If you notice, it says, "If my RV's rockin', don't come knockin'." And he means it, boy.
Hi, Vicky.
I hate to say this, but I'm making a video for the cousins back east.
Hi, cousins.
Have anything to say?
Why don't you guys come and visit us sometime and we can all go to Carpinteria? It would be great fun. Think of it, all the kids all over the beach.
Now introduce Ursula.
This is my good friend Ursula.
Sue's
Hi.
Hawaii buddy.
We're not
Hi,
camping,
everybody.
no, we don't camp. We got a hotel just up the way.
Is this for the Inman Adolfson clan?
Yes.
To the
Adolfson
My
clan?
cousin Becky.
Okay. I hope it's nice and cold there while you're watching us in our swimsuits.
So look at that tan.
I know,
That
it's
is
incredible, isn't it?
Something else, yes.
I'm known for my high tanning in my family. I'm sure you guys can tell that by now.
Yes, the reflection is too much for my camera. Let's see. Uh-oh.
There's
one of our
Mark.
clan up there.
Mark's been jumping off that. I told him not to.
Mark.
Mark! Mark! Wake the camera!
It's off.
I got the bare essentials: a chair, smash paddle, and a beer.
Thank you for sharing that.
You're welcome.
Where's Adam? Thanks, Bess. Let me see how you do it.
I gotta write a paper.
I don't do donut class.
No, I haven't got my grade yet. I still have to write my paper.
I should do that with me.
No, I gotta do something.
Okay, hit it.
Next Friday, I have no choice.
Plagiarize.
Oh. You can tell it's an evenly matched team. Oh. All right, service. Well, the action's too much for me here. I'm gonna go see if there's anything going on up in camp. All right, cousins from back east. I'm now introducing cousin Bruce and his wife, Marcia. Wait a minute, let me zoom up on the baby.
And the baby.
And- oh, isn't that sweet?
Oh, smile! Come on, baby, smile!
Oh, she's cute.
Hi, baby!
Here's the proud
There she
grandmother.
goes. Oh, isn't she darling? The prettiest baby in the family.
Okay, I'm going to videotape the chow down. Bruce, did you enjoy your barbecue?
It was excellent, and
Excellent,
your grain salad is very good.
Isn't it very good? Yes. Okay, Mary, did you chow down?
Wonderful. I chowed down, see?
Good. Good job on that, Mary.
That was great.
All right, I'm going to view the spread here.
Pretty much shot right now.
Dad,
All right,
You chow me down?
hamburgers, Miller. It don't get any better than this.
Mom, you have a mouthful of food?
As usual, when you're videotaping me, I'm always chewing.
Let's zoom up over on Sue to see if, what is she having? Sue, lovely fingernails. Anybody else? Ursula, any comments on the barbecue?
Very
Ursula?
good.
Very good. Liz?
I wish you were all here.
Yes. We have plenty of food for them, right?
Right.
Oh,
Where's dessert?
oh, look at her beautiful face. Oh. All right, so that's that's the end of the barbecue. Now I can put my camera away, Dad, okay?
Okay.
Until the...
Get some comments from Bruce.
Yes, I got over here comments. Hello again, viewers. We are now coming up to the campfire program, or portion of our trip. Here is our campfire group.
Cold.
So let's go in for a closer view. Dad is having nasty thoughts there. Behave, Dad. Auntie Gloria. Mark. Steve, Big Steve.
Sue, they're looking at you.
Sue. Elizabeth. Okay. We have lost. Oh, here's the ocean. This is right out at our campground here.
We lost the
Come
kids.
the kids.
Here comes Michelle and Adam. They found a can. Anyway, I'm going to zoom in on our fire.
Put it in the fire, honey.
Isn't that wonderful? I want everybody to get the full effect of our campfire.
Identify the location of this campground.
Yes, Mother, what is it? Yes, we have identified the
We're
location
in Arizona.
as well as the date.
Beachside, Arizona.
Stephen, say hi to the relatives in the east. Stephen, this is Stephen, our brother. Well, he did not have any comments. Now it is dark at our campfire.
Notice that the temperature has gone down a few degrees.
Right. I'm coming out to videotape the moon coming up. I'll be back in a second. Now, back to the action.